Hi, welcome to PSS Pro Series Point of Sales Software Solution. This video will give you a guide on how the end user will get into our point of sales. The mini keyboard button is for terminals without keyboard and touch screen monitors. By clicking on it, we'll open the PSS keyboard layout. This user ID window is optional, based on the user setup. For our network terminals and for our standalone terminals, this is a shortcut to using the pull-down menu. Register code give the user the features of the point of sales form, drawer code set the type of point of sales form, salesperson assign the sales clerk entering the point of sales. User has to set a default printer by clicking, select another printer. This is the point of sale form, the text balloons point and give a short definition of each slot, like item list grid, item notes, menu category, menu itinerary, page panel, control panel and item grid. Our support team will give you more information on how to use each of these slots. To enter based on customer order, you would select menu category like party supplies, then select your menu category for party supplies, which would be supplies. You then see 3 items in the item grid, that falls under supplies, 12 ounces plastic cup, party ice, 8 ounces soup cup. OK. If we were to select party ice, based on register setup, a enter quantity form will appear, prompting you to punch in the quantity of party ice, let's say a quantity of 1. Then select enter. You would then notice the item will be placed as line number 1, with the price and the total of the quantity selected. Now notice the second line number, 12 ounces plastic cup with the total of all 3 quantity. Say I then choose to increase the quantity of party ice, by selecting the item, then select the green plus sign button, to increment the quantity to 2. To reduce the quantity, select the red minus sign, to reduce the quantity back to 1. To remove an item, select the item from the item grid, then select the red X button at the bottom of the point of sale form. A short way of searching for an item, by selecting the search code button on the control panel. Then click the mini keyboard button by the description, and type in party, you then get a list of all item with description party. You notice the item party ice quantity was incremented to 3, and not 2 as entered. This is based on it being set to group item in the item maintenance form. Say, you now choose to give a discount, by selecting an item, in the item grid, then select the % button at the bottom of the point of sale form. You would then get an option to select discount item, total, or cancel the process. Let's then select by item, you then get an input form to enter the discount percentage amount of 5. Then choose assign to update item grid. To give a total discount on invoice, repeat the steps, only this time select total and assign the discount percentage amount of 3. You would then see the item grid updated with the change and the invoice total reflected as such.